FSBO versus a cash offer. Two very different paths to selling your Long Island home, and most sellers choose between them based on gut feeling rather than actual numbers. Today I'm going to fix that. We are going to run real scenarios, real carrying costs, real commissions, real timelines, so by the end of this video you will know which option actually puts more money in your pocket based on your specific situation. No sales pitch, just math. FSBO stands for sale by owner. You sell the home yourself, no listing agent, which means you avoid the seller's agent commission, typically 2.5 to 3% of the sale price. Sounds great. The catch is that most FSBO sellers still pay a buyer's agent commission to whoever brings the buyer, which is another 2.5 to 3%. And without access to the MLS, your home gets less exposure, which often means a lower sale price or a longer time on market, or both. A cash offer comes from a buyer, usually an investor or a company like the property father, who purchases your home directly with cash, no mortgage required, no listing, no showings, no open houses, no waiting for bank approval. The offer is typically below market value. The trade is straightforward. You give up some price in exchange for speed, certainty, and the ability to sell completely as is. Let us run a comparison using a real scenario. A home in Suffolk County with a market value of $450,000. The home needs about $15,000 in updates to show well. The owner has carrying costs of $2,800 per month, covering mortgage, taxes, and utilities. We will compare what the seller nets under three options: listing with a full-service realtor, listing FSBO, and accepting a cash offer with a realtor. Sale price $450,000 minus 5% commission, which is $22,500, minus $15,000 in repairs to prep for listing, minus 3.5 months of carrying costs at $9,800, minus closing costs of roughly $3,000. Net to seller, approximately $199,700, and that assumes you get full asking price. If the home sits longer or you negotiate down, that number drops fast. FSBO. Same $450,000 home, but without proper MLS exposure. Realistic sale price is more like $430,000 to $435,000. You still pay buyer's agent commission at around 2.75%, which is $11,825. You still do the $15,000 in repairs. You still carry the home for 4 to 5 months because FSBO homes sell slower, and that is $12,600 in carrying costs. Closing costs around $3,000. Net to seller, approximately $193,000. Less than listing with an agent and more stress throughout the process. Cash offer. A realistic cash offer on that same $450,000 home needing $15,000 in work is typically in the range of $360,000 to $380,000. Let us use $370,000. No repairs needed. Closing in 14 days, meaning carrying costs of about $1,400. Closing costs typically covered by buyer or minimal at around $1,500. Net to seller, approximately $367,000. That is significantly higher than both other options. The reason the cash offer nets higher in this scenario is because we remove $15,000 in repairs and nearly $10,000 in carrying costs from the equation. The cash offer was lower in price, but the seller kept more of it because they did not spend it getting the home ready and holding it for months. This is why running the full net calculation matters. Headline price is not the same as money in your pocket. Here is the honest guide. Choose traditional listing if your home is move-in ready, you have time, and the market is favorable. Choose FSBO only if you have real estate experience, you are comfortable with legal contracts, and you have access to some MLS exposure through a flat fee service. Choose a cash offer if your home needs significant work, if you have a hard timeline, or if carrying costs are eating into your equity month over month. Before you choose FSBO or a realtor or anything else, get a cash offer. It costs nothing, takes 24 hours, and gives you a real number to compare against. Once you know your floor, every other decision gets easier. The property father serves Nassau and Suffolk County. Request your offer in the description, and subscribe for more honest breakdowns like this one every week.